kitabu cha Zaburi pale 31 24 inasema, be strong, be courageous, all who that hope in the Lord. That we should be strong and courageous. Wale wote ambao wamemtumainia Mungu, wacha uoga, wacha ya kwamba kusitasita. Maandiko yamesema ya kwamba tukue strong, yani tuwe na nguvu na tuwe na ujasiri. Na tunapofanya hivyo, naamini ya kwamba yale ambayo tunatarajia ya kwamba Mungu afanye katika maisha yetu atayafanya. Kila ambacho kinafanya ya kwamba baadhi yetu maombi hayajibiwi jinsi ambavyo tumeomba, it is because sometimes tunakuwa weak. Sometimes tunakosa kuwa courageous, tunakosa ujasiri. Wengi ya kwamba inafika mahali ya kwamba watu wanapowatisha, maybe mganga, mtu ambaye ameenda kwa uchawi, anakuambia utaona, unasahau ya kwamba yule Kristo aliye ndani mwako ni mkuu kuliko hao waganga na wachawi. Unaanza kuogopa. But the Bible has reminded us that we should be strong and courageous. And to those who hope in the Lord.